Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to publish your report from Power BI Desktop to Power BI Service. So this report is the report that we will create in Tax 1. Let's just quickly publish this to Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, sorry, just to show you how that is done. So to do that, you come to sign in, you click on sign in, then I enter the email that we just created together, contact@mastertutor.onmicrosoft.com. That is the email we just created. So we click on continue. So we wait a bit while it pops up for us to just select the account and log in. So before you publish to Power BI Service, you have to log on Power BI Desktop with your account. So that is a very critical piece. You have to log on with your account before you can sign up, you can publish. So contact. Now, I'll enter my password. The same password I used while creating the account. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay. It works now. So, we wait for it. You can see it has populated my name. So I know that I'm signed in now once I see my name right here. So I'm signed in. So the next thing I will do to publish this report to the service is to come to publish, click on publish. So it will prompt you, do you want to save? Just save. Then it comes and show you where you want to, this is destination. So if it's in a situation where we have many workspaces, so like on Power BI, workspaces created by different people. So you see all the workspaces you have available here. But for now, we just have one workspace, which is my workspace. I click on that workspace and I click on select. So you can see it's publishing. Once it publishes, then we'll go to our web, which is the Power BI service, and we'll go there and view this report on the service this time. So let's just be patient while this publishes to the service. So the Power BI, let me reiterate again. On Power BI Desktop is the development area where we get to develop all our reports. Okay, it has published. While Power BI Service is where we get to share our reports. So this is Power BI Service. So as we know, my workspace, you can see there was nothing there before, but because we've published something there, we can now see something there. In the previous video, if you check it, you see that there was nothing here before. So another thing I want you to note, whenever you publish a report to Power BI Service, it publishes plus the data set of the report. So there's no need of, I've created a report on PowerPoint and the Excel file is somewhere else. When I need to use that report again, I have to go and be looking for the Excel file or something. The data set is right here that you can also download to PBIX. You can also download the PBIX and reuse. So very nice. So this is the report itself. So you click on the report to actually view it. So to actually view the report, this is the report. Same thing with what we have on the desktop version. The interactivity is the same thing. Nothing changes. So same thing with what you have. So let me just cancel this. So same experience, same everything with what you have on the desktop version. So this is all about publishing report from Power BI to desktop to Power BI service. In the next lesson, I'll be showing you how to share reports. So to share reports with other people within your organization and how to also publish to web, which is free for everyone to view. Okay, that will be all for this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson.